Have an Infinity here. The customer hated the tops. Right, the main part of the headlight wasn't so bad, but the tops bothered him for obvious reasons. You could see the tops here were starting to get sunburnt. He caught it in time, so we did it. They came out great. See how bad they are, but we took care of it. Here's the end result. Broward County, Florida. We service Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. We are mobile. Give us a call, 754-302-0769. We are mobile. Just text us your pictures of your headlights or give us a call or a text, and we'll come to your home or office. 754-302-0769. Thank you for watching this video.